Want to turn your Wati WhatsApp messages into powerful traffic-driving machines? First, let's craft our message. In the Wati message editor, simply type your text as you normally would. But when you want to include a URL, just paste it directly into the message body. Wati automatically turns plain text URLs into clickable links. It's that easy. But let's take it a step further and format that link. Place the text you would like to be displayed, followed by the URL inside square brackets. To implement link tracking, use a URL shortening service like Bitly or Tinyurl. These services allow you to shorten your link and track clicks. Generate a short link, and then paste the short link into your Wati message as before, and boom, tracking is active. Finally, make sure your text contains a clear call to action. Tell people why they should click your link and where it will take them. This boosts engagement and drives more traffic. Now you know how to add URLs on Wati, track clicks, and optimize your messages to drive traffic and enhance user engagement on WhatsApp. Like and subscribe for more useful tips.